Hello, welcome back to another instalment of my camper build. Today I was fitting the shower tray. What I've done is I've had a stainless steel tray made to my specifications. It has two holes through it to allow water to drain out, but there is no plug. What I've had done is I've had two stainless steel tubes welded to the underside of it, because obviously once this tray is in place and the toilet's sat on top, it's not going to move and it's not coming out until pretty soon. So I thought I'd just give you an update of what I've done, and I'll show you what I've done now. Well, this is the shower tray that I had made. These are the holes that I had put in the shower tray, one at each end. On the bottom of them is this tube which goes straight through to the outside, straight through the bed, and I'll show you those now. One comes down inside my container storage, so what I'll do is I'll get a water container, put a hole in it, and one pipe will fill that one up. The other one comes down the other side of the wheel. I will put a pipe on the bottom of that one, put a little loop in it, and join the two together. The ideal of me not having plastic plumbing or anything underneath the shower tray was obviously once this shower tray is in position, if it gets a blockage, I can't do anything about it, which is why I have straight tubes. Also, if the shower tray was made of plastic or anything like that and it moved and cracked, I would never get it back out again. I'll show you the shower tray with the toilet in position. As you can see, with the toilet in position, it covers up one of the drainage holes. So what I would do is I have some mahogany strips, and what I would do is I'll make a slatted base for it to sit on, so the water can still drain underneath the toilet that way, and then I'll have a slatted foot piece put in here for the bottom of the shower tray. And the reason being that the hole positions are where they are is because the existing load bed, which I will show you, are structural beams. So to miss them, I had to position the holes in the shower tray where they are. Thank you for watching. My next video will be when it's completed. Thank you.